I hope you guys are all feeling well today, and we're back with another video. We're going to be doing some edits in the next couple of videos with EVOTO software. I do like this software, really do. You know I've got my gripes with it if you've looked at any of the other videos, but we'll talk about that in this video. Okay, let's dive straight in. Now, we've got this photo here that we're going to be editing in one of the next videos. We've also got this picture here. That's a raw file, needs a color adjustment, full edit coming on this one. But for today's photo, we're going to be starting with this image here that was shot outside. Just a few fixes that we're going to do, and EVOTO is going to make it super simple for us to do that. Now, before we get into the video, like I said, I just want anybody that is new to this software, use the link below, because you're going to get yourself 30 free credits in 2 easy steps to have a play with this software yourself. Super simple. Sign up, email, make yourself a password, create your account, download the software, and you're good to go. It's as simple as that. Okay, now, one other thing I would like to say, and I hope the EVOTO team are watching this once again, is the main concern that people have with this software is the pricing structure. Now, I don't know who decided to do it this way, but honestly, if you change this to a standalone pay-as-you-go, you're going to get so many more people using it that the only thing that's putting people off, I think, is the pricing structure. Now, look at it this way, EVOTO. Your software's great, but let's say, for instance, I edit 100 pictures, or let's say I do 50 pictures for a client, and I do the edits how I think they are going to like them. Now I do a batch edit, blah, blah, blah. I export all the images. That's going to take 50 of my credits, okay? Export one image equals 1 credit. I export 50, that's 50 credits gone. Now, the client emails back and says, oh, I'm just not happy with the way you've done the sky or the background or something. That means you've got to re-edit 50 pictures with the adjustment they would like doing and then export them again. Now you're up to 100 credits used. Do you see where I'm going? Whereas if you've just got a standalone piece of software, you can export and edit as many times as you want. That's the best way to go. You know, I've been having a look around the internet, and pricing structure is the concern for many users, okay? Please listen. Go to Trustpilot. The people with the negative comments are mainly because of the price. The pricing is the problem. Nobody wants, well, obviously you've got people that are using the software, but you're probably missing out on, I don't know, you know, thousands and thousands of people that would happily purchase this for, you know, £100, $150 as a standalone product. Just use it for maybe, you know, even if you just give them a 2-year license or a year of unlimited, you know, whatever it is. The pricing structure and the credit system, no, it just isn't the way to go. Anyway, rant over, let's get into the edit. So straight off the bat with this image, I want to be just changing the sky just a little bit. So I'm going to head off into the sky replacement section, which is just here. Now, like I said, we were shooting this round about just before sunset. Really nice time of the day, and I was looking for something a little bit more dramatic in the sky. And we've got some sunrise and sunsets here, and let's go for something with this sort of colour. Let me just put that on and let me just see how that looks. Now, I'm liking that tone, but it's just still a little bit too harsh for my liking. So what we're going to do is bring that back down, and then we're just going to take the temperature down just a little bit, and then the saturation of it as well. I think I just wanted just a little bit more colour, just to add, you know, we've got you see where I'm going. Anyway, let's just get the position of that just to about there. I think that is more what I'm looking for. Maybe add a little bit more colour, and we're just going to blur that just a little bit as well, and bring the opacity down just a little bit as well. Okay, right, okay, I'm happy there. Now the next thing we're going to address is there's quite a few creases in this girl's dress, whatever she's wearing, and well, let's see what we can do to fix that with EVOTO. Now we'll just go straight up to 100%, De-wrinkle will do its magic. And there we go. Now, how is that looking? Maybe I want to bring it back just a little bit because it's smoothed out too much in my opinion. So we'll bring it down to around about the 80% mark, just around there. So we've got the before, after, before, after. I think that looks a little bit more pleasing. Not too much, and we haven't gone over the top with that. Okay, next section we're going to be going into is here, the portrait retouching. And one of the things that I can just see just a little bit where the hair has gone in here, it's sort of made the face look a little bit out of shape in my opinion. So I'm going to be using the liquify tool just here, just pushing that side of the face in just a little bit, and then I'm going to address this area here that is just annoying me as well. Okay, so again, if you're doing sort of like these sort of edits, you just cannot do these sort of things with batch. If you want to do like a set of 4 images, there could be just slight differences, so you do need to do this manually. Okay, so we're just going to zoom in just a little bit more, and we're going to bring the brush size down to about there, and then bring the pressure up just a little bit. And I just want to pull that, just straighten it up just along here. Again, it's not too much, but I could see it in the picture and it was annoying me. Okay, so I just need to bring that face in just a little bit more, and a little bit there as well. What I'm going to do as well is to about there, and then we'll do the rest within the software. Okay, we're happy. Now again, body blemish, etc. We're not going to be using any of that on this picture. Excuse me. We're just going to go with eye bags just to probably around about 20%. Now remember guys, I'm still seeing it. It's really annoying me. People are going over the top with the brightness on the teeth, on the eyes, etc. Come on, it just looks silly. You must see that yourself. So people are doing it all the way up to 100 and thinking, wow, yeah, that looks great. No, come on guys, keep it as natural as you can. So we just want to, boost the eyes up probably about 20% maximum for this image anyway. Okay. Like I said, if you just go too far, you see them, don't you? You see them on Instagram, you see them on Facebook, etc. You're thinking, Jesus, what the hell? The eyes look crazy. Look, don't go too far. Keep it natural. Just bring them up just a little bit, 20% maybe, around there. Same with teeth, etc. Now, another thing they've added is the, it definitely needs, I know it's in, let me just find it, facial expression. Now, it's in beta, okay, and this one isn't in beta, but the gentle smile, it can be used, just a little bit. Gentle smile, as it says, is what it says on the tin, but this smile generator, no, it just doesn't work. It again, something like that, it's as soon as you see the teeth, it needs a lot of work. Maybe even just take this feature back out. It's embarrassing in my opinion to have that in. Anybody that's using that and putting crazy massive teeth like that onto the image just needs to wake up and think, no, what the hell am I doing? Again, something gentle like that, it's not too bad. The beta, okay, it's probably around about there. You could probably get away with it to a point. I wouldn't use it myself. Right, okay, so we're going to go into the makeup section. We just want to get those eyes popping with the eyelashes add-on. Let's try them. We can go just a little bit bolder, can we? I think we're going to go for the bolder look, and then we are going to adjust those eyes just a little bit as well at the end of the editing. Eyeliner, they're getting some nice features in here, really good. I do like what they're doing in the section now. We do need to add more colors in here. I keep saying the colors, instead of adding crazy teeth, let's get this section fixed with more color options, maybe. Yeah, have a think about that, EVOTO. Okay, so we're just going to go with a contour. Nothing too drastic on this image. And then will I need to go with blush? There we go. Blush options. Yeah, you know, they're good. I do like these. Right, okay, we're going to bring it down. Just getting a little bit more warmth in the face. I do like the lipstick as it is. But let me just check out something in here. You know, have those lips popping a little bit more. I do like the glossy look. We do need to have, well, on the glossy one, maybe add the ability to, I don't know. Anyway, but the colour section, look, lipstick colours, this is all we've got. There's loads of colours in between. You know, tell you, you know, you're editing, or not you're editing, your software engineers to, let's get some more colours, guys, come on. Anyway, let me just see. Okay, so we just need to go into the facial reshaping. And I just want to size the mouth up just a little bit more. This way. Tilt. So if you've got a wonky mouth, we can fix it with the tilt. If you wanted to boost the lips, you can do that as well. Okay, eyebrow thickness. We're just going to unclick that. Just make them a little bit more symmetrical. And if you wanted to adjust the distance, you can do. You know, the software's really good. Pricing structure needs fixing. Please, come on guys, fix it. You're going to get so many more people using this software once it's a standalone, pay once. Maybe if it was like a year, £89, 1 year subscription, as many photos as you want. At the end of the year, pay again. You know, something like that. But the credit system, one image, one photo, blah, blah, blah. It's just not doing it for a lot of people. Trust me. Really trust me on that one. Jawline. We're just going to go and split that one up as well. Bring that there. Just going to bring the face down just a little bit. And I'm going to leave it there. We're done. So, simple edit. Talking to you as I do that. And yeah, I'm quite happy with that picture. Let's export it and we'll see you in the next video, guys.